आगे रास्ता नहीं है ना।
नहीं आप चल के देखेंगे।
जाओ जाओ देखो जाओ सामने देखो।
Streets of Ganjam littered with fallen trees and electric poles. Roadblocks practically at every corner on our way to the villages deep inside the district. The day after, as villagers, rescue and relief teams make their way back, a feeling of fear of what they will find. These men working round the clock to clear roads within 24 hours.
Further ahead lie many villages, which we are told many huts there, homes of people have been impacted by this rain, and we are on our way to try and find out what has been the impact of this on the people who were living in low-lying areas. कौन सा पानी है?
ये समुद्र का और बरसी का दो ठो जो सर्कुल हुआ ना, सर्कुल का पानी है।
साइक्लोन का पानी है। तो ये मतलब इससे अभी तो नीचे घुटने तक पानी आ रहा है यहाँ।
नहीं ये तो चल जाता है अभी समुद्र को।
अच्छा, यहाँ से वहाँ चला जाएगा, क्लियर हो जाएगा। Many people have lost their homes, have lost their huts. We're not even there yet. This is just the beginning, and you can see the site. As this man says, that this water could have come from the ocean. It could also be excess rain. I'll ask my camera person to just pan from my left all the way to the right to show you what this part of Orissa currently looks like.
A bridge underwater, not their prime cause of concern.
We are in Haripur right now, a kilometer away from the ocean, a low-lying village, and thankfully people from this village had evacuated and had taken shelter in one of the cyclone shelters. But of course, massive damage to property.
सामान घर में सिलेंडर था, घरेलू पूरा सामान था, सिलेंडर था, गैस था, टीवी था, सब चीज ऐसे बर्बाद हो गई।
आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी?
But there has been minimal loss of life.
अगर पब्लिक तो घर छोड़ के नहीं जाते तो कितना आदमी कैसे भी मर जाते थे ये तो पता है।
There is of course immense damage to their property, and they're all in a way asking us to send a message to the government here that they're all poor people here. They've lost pretty much everything they owned, and they would be looking for compensation from the government, but also telling us, in a way, thanking the administration for causing the awareness to ensure that these people evacuate their homes. They've lost everything that they ever possessed, but they've got their lives, they've got their children safe. Reporting from Roykuttu village on the Gopalpur beach with camera person Sabyasachi, Anchal Bora, NDTV.